Rhys, chydig o le gan Lam. Yr un dau yn ôl, ond mae Cain Owen yno. O, Rhys yn dwyn y bêl. Rhys yn ei gosod i Elliot Evans! Ac Evans yn rhoi'r myfyrwyr ar y blaen, toc yn yr hanner awr. Mae ganddo fe 8 gôl yn uwch gyngor Cymru y tymor hwn, ac mae'r hediad o sgorio'n parhau. Evans yn rhwydo. Wilson, Emmanuel y cefnwr. Howard. Howard yn llithro. Bowler ni dwy ni. Bowler yn dal i fynd. Y bas drwodd i Rhys Thomas! 2 gôl mewn 5 munud a mae'r tîm o'r uwch gyngor ymhellach ar y blaen. Howard ar llithriad. Fe geisiodd y faglu bowler, ond Rhys Thomas yn rhwydo yn cadw i ben chwarae teg. McCarthy fyny amdani. Kinsella i mewn yn gadarn eithriadol ar Woolridge. Dipyn o frwydr. O, boes bach, Billy Bones i mewn hefyd. Nawr te, mae angen i Mr Richardson y dyfarnwr gadw gafel y bethau fan hyn. Cyn iddi fynd yn rhy fler. O, hwnna'n dacl a hanner. Mon melyn i Borge. Rhys ar tafliad. Baker ar ei holi. Y croesiad yn cael ei wiro. Rhys Griffiths yn oedi. Mae'n syrthio i Elliot Evans. Heibio'r postyn. Dim ail gôl i Evans. Owen ar gic. Rhys Griffiths i mewn amdani. Ond fydd i ddim yn cyfri. Cam sefyll i'r penderfyniad. Ond dyna chi beniad sy'n dangos pam bod Rhys Griffiths wedi ennill 7 esgudair yn uwch gyngor Cymru. Met mond wedi colli 1 o'i 12 diwetha. Mae'n dangos pam ar Barc Bryn-Tirion. Ond mae Penybont wedi dwyn hi ar bas drwodd i Hopkins. Hopkins ar croesiad! Dros ben o golwr i gefn yr hwyd. Mae Penybont yn ôl ynddi. Wel, yn o rw lithriad bach. O, dwi'n credu mae croesiad oedd hi. Mae'r gwynt yn hwyliau'r tîm cartre nawr. Rhys ar peniad. Mae'r bell ag Owen. Owen yn croesi. O, mae'n taro'r trawst. Bron i'r fellen adar o ddwywaith. Evans dros y gic. Y peniad gan Spencer. A hanner ffordd o'r ail hanner. Mae'r 2 gôl o fantes yn ôl i'r myfyrwyr. Y gic rydd yn berffaith ar peniad i'r gornel. Yr un fer i Evans. Rhys. Chydig o le gan bowler. Y gwiriad i'r ergyd. Ac yna Wilson yn gorfod i harbed i. Wel, pam lai ar gydio pan yna gymaint o le. Cynnig da.
People have said that was a banana skin today. First half, I wouldn't have thought you'd seen that. It was total domination by ourselves. We kept the ball. We're 2-0 up. And yeah, towards the end of the first half, it gets a bit heated. But you know, we've been down in Division 1. We understand the context and what goes on. But we're very respectful of the opposition. We dealt with it, went in at half-time and spoke about what we needed to do. And we did that. And we managed the tie very well, I thought.
Yeah, we are disappointed. I think, like I said, the plan was always to try and be 0-0 half-time, 0-0 after an hour, maybe even 1-0 down and then have a real go at change the shape. We're always going to change the shape. We've got some good substitutes as well and then have a good go so that the game panned out like we wanted, except for the fact that we gave away 2 silly goals first half. I didn't think they had many chances first half, if I'm honest, although they had an awful lot of the ball. They're a good, well-drilled side. But unfortunately, we didn't take those chances and obviously we had one disallowed as well. And it's just one of those things, another frustrating day for us.
And to be missing a few players as well who have been regular starters this season. People have taken their chances today and obviously yourself, you know, getting your first goal.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, Roscoe and Bear, that's a big miss out. They've been such a big feature in the squad this season. I'm lucky I've come in, taken my chance, done well, been riddled with injuries so far this season, but happy to be back in the team, yeah.
When we were in Division 1, we always wanted a Welsh Prem team, but being the Welsh Prem team now, I believe, you know, anybody at home is what you'd like. I think anybody in the draw now would like anybody at home. So no, not really. We'll just keep, whoever we play, again, we'll be very respectful towards, and we look to have a good tie against them. But for now, it's all focused on Newtown for the weekend.